And today we have this project. This is called Green Nigeria, and then I just funded this project with 90,000 naira. You can join VIP 0 for 6,000 naira, VIP 1 for 30,000 naira, and VIP 2 for 90,000 naira. While this VIP actually makes you 300 naira every day, this one makes you 1,500 every day, while this one makes you 4,500 every single day. So these are the daily incomes of this particular project. Now to purchase, after clicking on this VIP and after you have funded your account, you actually click on this join. As you can see, are you sure you want to join VIP 2? Click on confirm, and then now congratulations, you have activated VIP 2 valid from so time to so time. So as you can see here, one of the important things you need to understand about this project is that withdrawal is every week. For example, VIP 0 withdraws on Monday, while VIP 1 withdraws on Tuesday, while VIP 2 withdraws on Wednesday. Minimum withdrawal on this project is actually 2,000 naira. As you can see, after purchasing the VIP, my balance is already 0. Before it was 90,000 naira. So I've already spent 90,000 naira to purchase that VIP. Now let's do tax. I'll come to this tax area to actually perform my tax. So I'll click on this part here, click on VIP 2. Then the tax list has been opened. Click on this part, then tax. So this is how to do your task. So after clicking the tax there, you come to this part, click on open, then you can just go back, click on this light, then click on submit. Can you see it's showing successful? You open it, then you submit it. You open it, then you submit. So after 1 minute of completing my task, my balance has actually reflected. That is 4,500 naira daily income when you invest on the VIP 2 package, which costs 90,000 naira. So this is the simple way of doing the tax every single day. So how to withdraw? Just click on this my wallet, click on withdraw, then set your withdrawal password, set your bank details, and then you can withdraw successfully. So that's all you need to know about this project.